Hello. If your computer is laggy, I will show you some ways to fix it. See, mine's like very laggy. Let me just put in a password and stuff. Right, so here we go. So you go into. I hate this. This thing always comes up. It's annoying. So if it's always laggy, you want to go in. Sometimes you have like too many files. You want to delete some of them. Yeah, so you have like a million files. So you have downloads. I just literally just delete some, but here's another way too. So you want to go into explore that, and whenever you have, go into history and delete everything, because sometimes that lags your PC or computer or laptop. Then if that doesn't work, you want to go to power and then press restart. Should work like brand new too. If that doesn't work, then you're gonna have to get a new laptop or whatever. Oh, good luck. Bye.